Best deals.
1. Pan. The extra thick 3 mm stripe-like construction ensures superior heat retention and even cooking. The superior food-grade stainless steel interior is hygienic, stronger, designed with curved sides. The pan is well suited for deep frying and stir frying. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Drainer. Made of selected stainless steel materials, environmentally friendly, safe, healthy, durable, not easy to damage. The 3 feet make the placement more stable. Basket can not only be used to filter food and debris, wash vegetables and fruits, but also can be used as a texture for storing sponges, dishwashing brushes and soap. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Chakla Belan is a must-have for any kitchen, featuring a durable roti maker wooden design that ensures effortless chapati preparation every time. This wooden Chakla Belan kitchen tool is made from high-quality, durable wood, ensuring its longevity and reliability, ideal for rolling out perfectly round chapatis. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg Pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dish Drainer. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Provision of a slanting surface at the bottom for quick water drainage from washed utensils into the sink, keeping the kitchen clean and dry. Can also be used to store not so frequently used utensils, keeping your kitchen clutter-free. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Salad Spinner. Simply insert the required disc into the lathe to switch between slicing, spiralizing, grating, or spinning, making kitchen prep fast and efficient. All discs and accessories stack neatly inside the main bowl for space-saving storage, keeping your kitchen tidy. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Organizer. Bin adds international style organization to your refrigerator. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tumbler. Made entirely of stainless steel, this tumbler ensures no plastic comes into contact with your drinks, promoting a healthier and eco-friendly lifestyle. Each tumbler includes an extra clamp inside, providing added convenience and durability for secure closure, perfect for on-the-go usage. Comes with a silicone ring inside the lid for an airtight seal, ensuring zero spills. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. The modern design features an anti-skid base, transparent airtight lids perfect for storing food and serving. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Slicer. Create uniform curly noodles from a variety of vegetables and fruits. Includes coarse and fine spiralizer blades plus rotary grating blade. It comes with 2 styles of spiralizing blade, coarse and fine. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Organizer. Folds easily when not in use, saving valuable space in tight areas like laundry rooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed with multiple compartments to separate children's and adults' clothing, light and dark garments, or towels and toiletries. Smooth rolling 360 degrees wheels make movement effortless. Brake locks provide stability when needed, ensuring secure and safe use. Made from strong PP material, the structure is stable, high capacity, and resistant to deformation. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tadka Pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Comes in 11 cm diameter size and is compatible on gas ovens. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Peeler. Its rotating head lets you switch blades with a twist, providing unmatched versatility for prepping potatoes, carrots, or even zucchini noodles with ease. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Container. It is made up of superior raw material with durability and heat-resistant ability which is friendly to the human body. Airtight seal with great elasticity, power locks tightly. They also work well for keeping pasta, rice, flour, sugar, crackers. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Trivets. This eye-catching set features two circular trivets that fit neatly together for compact storage. To use, simply peel apart and place down with the raised dots facing upwards. Made from heat-resistant silicone. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cutter. It is foldable, also very easy to use. It has a handle that allows you to cut mango or any vegetable fruit with pressure. Durable and long-lasting, easy to carry and place anywhere. Sharp blade mechanism ensures precise and uniform slicing. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sushi maker. Made from 100% food-safe silicone, this sushi mat is flexible, odorless, and built to last. No harmful chemicals, just a reliable tool for crafting fresh, healthy sushi at home. The non-stick sushi mat rinses clean in seconds or tosses in the dishwasher. No lingering smells or stains, just quick hygiene so you can focus on cooking, not scrubbing. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cutter. Is made of food-grade stainless steel, durable, rust-proof, polished and shiny. 5-wheel cutter for even cuts, uniform portions and to save time, slice brownies and chocolate bars. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sifter. Features a double-layer fine mesh sieve at the bottom for rapid and thorough screening of flour, sugar powder, wheat, maida, and other powdered ingredients. Generously sized sieve cup holds a substantial quantity of flour. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Idli maker. The innovative square shape enhances steaming efficiency, providing even heat distribution for perfectly cooked idlis and doklas every time. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for superior durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Designed for versatility, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Brush. This 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. 6-layer hard bristles for efficient cleaning, tackle even the toughest cleaning space. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Silicone holder. Are designed to help protect your hands while handling hot cookware, baking trays, pans, and serving dishes. The heat-resistant material provides a reliable grip for everyday kitchen cooking and baking tasks. Featuring a textured non-slip silicone grip, these silicone hot pot holder provide improved control when lifting hot pots, pans, baking dishes, air fryer baskets, and cookware, helping reduce slipping during use. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Container. With air ventilation is crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Blender. Is made of high-quality stainless steel, meaning hot liquids are not a problem, and the durable blades lasts long. It runs without electricity and manual hand-operated unit. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Drain. Basket. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone that's safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. Stays firmly in place and withstands heat from stoves or hot water. Heat-resistant and non-slip design, stays firmly in place and withstands heat from stoves or hot water. Prevents buildup of grease and moisture. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Containers. Clear containers with a unique lid designed to easily identify container contents. Help keep kitchen, pantry, fridge organized, can be used for storing different types of products. Perfect gifting option for festivities, weddings, housewarming parties. Airtight containers keep contents fresh and prevent spillage. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Dumpling press. This foldable bun maker measures 18 cm long and 6 cm high after folding, making it perfect for use in the home kitchen or when traveling. No professional skills required, making it suitable for cooks of all levels, including children. Create beautiful flower-shaped buns. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Strainer. Crafted from thickened, corrosion-resistant stainless steel that's durable, safe for food contact, and built to last through daily kitchen use. Easily switch between soaking and draining, the flat base lets you soak rice or fruits thoroughly, while the slanted side drainers enable fast, hands-free drainage. Evenly spaced perforations on the side allow quick water flow while keeping rice, grains, and fruits safely inside the bowl. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Cook kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Steamer is designed for modern kitchens and busy lifestyles where convenience, speed, and versatility matter. With a 1.2L stainless steel inner pot and 600 watts of power, this compact appliance replaces your stovetop kettle, egg boiler, tea maker, and mini steamer all in one. The wide mouth design makes it incredibly easy to pour, clean, and add ingredients without spills, while the adjustable temperature settings give you full control whether you're gently boiling milk, brewing the perfect cup of tea or coffee, boiling eggs, making instant noodles, or steaming fresh vegetables. At its core, this kettle is built around the idea of one pot, multiple uses. The 1.2L inner pot is the sweet spot for singles, students, bachelors, and small families. It's large enough to boil 3 to 4 cups of water, milk, or tea at once, yet compact enough to fit in a hostel room, office pantry, or travel bag. The food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures even heating, resists rust and odor, and keeps your beverages tasting fresh without any metallic aftertaste. The 600-watt heating element provides rapid boiling without consuming excessive electricity, making it energy efficient for daily use. Unlike traditional kettles that only boil water, the adjustable temperature settings on this 3-in-1 kettle let you choose the right heat for different foods. Low to medium heat is perfect for simmering milk without it spilling over or burning at the bottom. Medium heat works best for brewing tea and coffee to extract flavor without making it bitter. High heat boils water fast for eggs, noodles, and soup. This control prevents overboiling and gives you cafe-style results at home. The included steamer tray transforms the kettle into a healthy cooking station. Just add water to the base, place the steamer on top, and you can steam vegetables, momos, idlis, or even reheat leftovers without oil. It's ideal for health-conscious users who want quick, oil-free meals. Students can steam corn and veggies between classes. Working professionals can make a light, healthy breakfast before heading to office. The steamer locks in nutrients while keeping the cooking process mess-free. The wide mouth is one of the most practical features. Traditional kettles with narrow openings are hard to clean and fill. This kettle's wide mouth lets you easily add tea leaves, coffee powder, milk, eggs, or chopped veggies. Cleaning is also hassle-free. You can reach every corner of the 1.2L pot with a sponge, preventing residue and stains. The anti-scald body and auto shut-off add a layer of safety, especially for students and families with kids. Once the water reaches boiling point or the cooking cycle is done, the kettle switches off automatically to prevent dry boiling. This kettle is truly ideal for daily essentials. Boil milk for your morning chai, brew tea or coffee in minutes, boil 2 to 3 eggs for a protein snack, cook instant noodles or soup, and steam vegetables for a quick healthy lunch. Because it's only 600 watts, it's hostel safe and works even with low voltage. The compact size, detachable power cord, and lightweight body make it travel friendly too. Whether you live alone, in a PG, or just want a second cooking appliance for quick meals, the 3-in-1 multi-cook kettle with steamer brings speed, safety, and flexibility to your kitchen counter. No more waiting for the stove. No more multiple utensils to wash. Just one kettle that boils, brews, cooks, and steams. This kettle replaces 4 utensils and saves time, electricity, and washing up. From boiling milk for your kids to steaming broccoli for your diet, from brewing ginger tea to making a midnight egg, it does it all in one pot. Product link is given in the 29th link.